design enthusiasts, and welcome back to Floorland. Today, we're delving into a topic close to our hearts: mosque carpets. Whether you're an architect, interior designer, or simply someone interested in the beauty and significance of mosque interiors, you're in for a treat. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you on a journey through the world of mosque carpets, exploring their types, features, aesthetic appeal, benefits, and much more. So, let's dive right in and uncover the beauty that lies beneath our feet. Types of mosque carpets. From intricately woven prayer rugs to plush wall-to-wall carpets, there's a mosque carpet to suit every style and preference. Whether you prefer traditional patterns and motifs or modern designs inspired by Islamic art and architecture, you'll find a wide selection to choose from. Features of mosque carpets. Now, let's delve into the features that make mosque carpets an essential element of mosque interiors. One of the key features of mosque carpets is their durability. Designed to withstand heavy foot traffic and daily use, mosque carpets are crafted from high-quality materials that ensure long-lasting performance. Whether it's a bustling prayer hall or a quiet corner for reflection, mosque carpets provide comfort and durability for worshippers. Aesthetic appeal of mosque carpets. Now, let's talk about the aesthetic appeal of mosque carpets. Vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and luxurious textures, mosque carpets add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any prayer space. Whether it's a grand mosque with elaborate designs or a small neighborhood masjid with simple yet elegant carpets, the beauty of mosque carpets is undeniable. Benefits of mosque carpets. Let's discuss the numerous benefits they offer to mosque goers and designers alike. First and foremost, mosque carpets provide comfort and insulation, allowing worshippers to pray in comfort, especially during the colder months. Additionally, mosque carpets help to maintain cleanliness by trapping dust and dirt, ensuring a hygienic environment for prayer. Furthermore, mosque carpets can be customized to suit the specific design requirements of a mosque, whether it's matching the carpet to the existing decor or incorporating meaningful symbols and motifs. Mosque carpets are not just floor coverings, but integral elements of mosque design that enhance the beauty, comfort, and spirituality of the space. Whether it's a centuries-old mosque with richly woven carpets or a modern prayer room with sleek, minimalist designs, mosque carpets play a vital role in creating a welcoming and conducive environment for worship. That's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into mosque design and interior decor. Until next time, may peace and blessings be upon you.